You asked, what are the top 5 reasons to clean solar panels?
Solar panel maintenance is essential to ensuring your panels are performing optimally and efficiently. Because it's so important, it's always best to get your panels professionally cleaned at regular intervals. Debris, dust, and other marks on panels can be detrimental to a solar system's performance. So luckily, we have created some key tips on why and how you should get your solar panels professionally cleaned. Firstly, rain doesn't always clean all panels properly. Many homeowners assume, and many solar salespersons claim, that when it rains, the solar panels are cleaned via this short, sharp shower. Unfortunately, bird or bat poo, the sap of nearby flowering trees, and backed on dust need more than a shower to be removed from the surface of a solar panel. This is particularly true for panels on flat roofs, such as pergolas, or on large commercial systems, which are regularly installed with an angle of fewer than 10 degrees. Therefore, the common assumption that rain cleans solar panels for you is actually false. In fact, rain can make the panel dirtier, as rainwater regularly has dust, minerals, and chemicals in it, creating a layer of debris on the panel, instead of what people think the rain would actually be removing. Secondly, know how to remove any stains on panels. In order to remove strong stains on the glass surface of panels, you need to know what type of stain it is. An experienced panel cleaner will know and be able to identify the glass blemish successfully, meaning he or she will know what to do and how to remove it. Depending on the substance, one might need to soak the area, or might even need to use special chemicals or tools to remove the blemish. Thirdly, cleaning solar panels can actually be quite dangerous. Another reason why you should get your solar panels cleaned by professionals is certainly because of safety. Solar panels are obviously situated on your roof, so they can be very tricky to get to. Sure, you can probably use a ladder to get easy access to your roof, but there are lots of risks involved. If your roof is small, doesn't have much room to walk around, has a steep angle, or is a second-story roof, the risks far outweigh the opportunity to save a few bucks. A professional is used to these working conditions and will have the right tools and methods to undertake this task safely. It is not worth waking up in the hospital after a bad fall to save a relatively small fee for solar panel cleaning done professionally. Our fourth tip is that the solar panels can be dangerous if they are washed on a sunny day. Unlike most other electrical products, switching your panel off on the safety switch doesn't entirely remove the electrical hazards the panels pose. For example, the panels can still possess a DC electrical charge when you try to wipe the wet panel, which could end in disaster. Yet again, this is something a professional would be aware of and know how to work around via the correct isolated ladders and equipment, potentially to disconnect panels. When you combine these safety risks of height, water, and electricity, cleaning your solar panel is not as easy as you may think, and is much better suited to a professional. You also need to understand that some solar panel warranties don't want a handyman near them. Warranty specifications can be another reason why getting your solar panels professionally cleaned is important. If you come across an issue with your panels within the warranty period, but you haven't even cleaned and looked at your panels for many years, you might not actually be able to claim the issue. Having a cleaning and checkup regime every 2 or 3 years is a good idea, and yet another reason why you should have a professional look over your system. That way they can identify a small issue such as a loose panel before the matter becomes a bigger issue, to the point that a very loose panel could endanger a loved one. So these are 5 of our top tips in why you need to get your solar panel cleaned professionally to preserve your panels, preserve your money, and preserve your loved ones.
Want more energy answered? Visit YourEnergyAnswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.